Good morning, folks, and welcome back here to the shop. Talk to you this morning about drum sprockets and rim sprockets. Got a project in this morning, made me think about it. This 038 Stihl, we changed it from a drum to a rim. For those of you that may not know what that is, there are two basic types of sprockets, so varieties and different ones. People refer to them by different names. Some people call this a clutch drum, some people call it a drum sprocket. Just depends on where you look or what company. And this is called a rim sprocket kit. Now the difference is this piece is made onto here, your sprocket that drives your chain. Where on this one, it's removable. I've had people over the years ask me, which one do you think is better? Well, as far as performance, I don't really believe one's any better than the other. Most all of your mid-size on up saws, you can get the option of either or. But now, cost-wise, I wouldn't run out and just change mine just to change it. But if you're getting one new because you've wore out the other one, it might be worth it to spend about $15 more and buy the conversion kit, which come with this piece. A couple reasons for that. Loggers like these because they need to store a lot of these, and you can definitely store more of these in an area than you can these. Secondly, cost-wise, by spending that little bit of money when you have it changed to buy this piece, after that you just change this. Most of these sprockets, depending on what it fits, what model, are anywhere from $25 to $40. When you buy these, depending on where you buy it and which one yours has got, anywhere from $8 to $15. So there's definitely a difference in cost there, a difference in storage capability. As far as durability, I don't believe one's any more durable than the other. So that's kind of my take on the difference between a rim sprocket and a drum sprocket. Thank y'all.